Just walk up. Walk up like this. Walk up like this, and baby oil. Take your vitamins. More. What did you say? What did you say? Wow. Nice earrings, baby. Wow. The glasses? Glasses, sunglasses. And mommy hat. And baby glasses. Look. Silly. Yeah, your glasses. Your glasses of bata. What color is that? Green. Green. Oh my goodness, mga boto. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, she likes waving. She likes waving to everyone. Sophia. 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 An awful lot of hair for her. My name is Judy. You say Judy? Say Judy or not? Go up and down. Bye. Alright. Oh, you got the glasses now.
Yep, and I cleaned them all off, so they are good to go.
Thank you. I'm gonna wear this. It's
Yeah.
so bright outside right now.
Especially right now.
And it's so sunny.
It's good to go. And it's nice and pretty outside.
Yeah, it's 70s.
Thank God.
Nice weather.
Yeah, for now.
Oh, we're going na. Thank you.
You're welcome here.
You too. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Let's go na. Ay, labad ba ni mo kasama? Ano? Baby Sophia cake.
Vaccines available right here in the store whenever you need them. The pharmacy has healthcare professionals ready to discuss them.
That's for you. Okay? We're done. Hi, baby. We're done. Yay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's so bumpy. It's so bright. Close your eyes. So bright, baby. Okay.
can play Watch Dogs too if I want to.
Oh, we're going outside. So nice.
But let's go walk. Let's go walk.
Yeah, we can go walk. Okay,
But the baby. But the baby.
Baby sister is sleeping.
A long time.
Naka-red pala kaming tatlo. Wearing red. Wearing red.
Mama, we're both wearing red. And
We are wearing red. Oh my gosh.
We're all wearing red.
We're all wearing red. I didn't notice that.
The bad car that was sick.
What's that, Tia?
That's green. A car.
No, don't get that. That's not.
Emma, get in there.
Let's together. We're not a gift to listen.
Okay.
Okay. Belong to you're still the one I want
I'm resting.
for life.
It's only 2 people going there, Mama.
Okay.
I want 2 canes, Mama, because I got 2 broken legs. Mama, I found 4. Mama, get this!
Oh my gosh.
Got 10 coins! Mama, 2 more!
Okay.
I do have 3!
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and comment. See you on my next vlog.